Hi, I'm Jenna. I'm the current president here at Crofton Nursery School. We wanted to reach out to you today to show you a little bit about Crofton Nursery School. We typically do a couple open houses during the springtime, but since we can't this year, we figured we would reach out virtually. I wanted to talk a little bit about some of our programs that we offer. We offer a threes program, which we do on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We have an AM session and a PM session. We also have a fours program that operates on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, also with an AM session and a PM session. We are a co-op, which is a way for you, the families, to be active and involved in your child's education by helping the school operate administratively. So we offer a few different committees like fundraising or housekeeping or party planning, and you can choose which committee you would like to be on. And we just basically help keep the school open and running so we can keep our costs low. It's an amazing way to get involved with your child's education and keep you close to the teachers in the school. One of the reasons why I chose to come to Crofton Nursery School with my daughter was because I wanted to be as involved with her education as I possibly could right from the start. And we allow for the parents to come in and work with the teachers and the students during the day. It was an amazing experience to be able to meet the other families that were also working with my child and help out as much as I could with the teachers. So with that said, I will pass it along. We have two lovely teachers that are state accredited and highly educated. They operate our curriculum. I will pass it along to them and they'll be able to give you some more tips about our school.
Hi there, I'm Tara Johnson, the threes teacher here at Crofton Nursery School. And much like most of you, I was in your same shoes many years ago looking for a preschool for my kids. We were very lucky enough to find Crofton Nursery School, and I loved it so much that I even agreed to be the president. Several years later, I got a phone call to become the threes teacher, and I jumped at the opportunity. My goal in the threes program is social. I know that most of your kids, this is gonna be their first social, formal school experience, and I want that to be a great experience, not only for them, but for you as well. Many kids have limited social experiences because they're hanging out with mom or dad, brother and sister, and maybe a few play dates here and there. But once they're in with a bunch of peers, they begin to navigate different expectations, problem-solving skills, and gain confidence. Once they start to gain that confidence, we can start to teach them simple things like colors and shapes and even numbers. I'd really love to show you a couple places in our school. This is our front entrance room. This is where the kids come in after they get dropped off in the car line. This is where they hang up their coat and their tote. And this is where they get to see their first experience with their name in print. And they really start to take ownership and know that this is my hook and my crayon. Our next space is a really fun one because it's all just their size. It's our bathroom. The sink, the toilet, and even the urinal are kid size. We do require that all children are potty trained in order to be in our program, but don't worry, we take lots of breaks throughout the day to remind to use the restroom and to wash their hands. And if a kid has an accident, it's okay because we ask that every child bring a change of clothes. We help them get cleaned up and we move on with the day. I can't wait for you to meet our forest teacher and our school director, Mrs. Scott Kem. She's not only my coworker, but she's also a really great friend.
Hi everyone, Mrs. Scott Kem here, Crofton Nursery School. Thank you for coming and taking a look inside our school today. I've been with this program for many years. I love this school. It's all about the kids, but this is also about your journey, getting to be a part of it as the parent. This is our circle room. This is where we begin our day. The kids come in and pull out boxes of educational toys or books or puzzles, and they gather on the floor and they play together. They brainstorm ideas and build and create. Then we clean up and we go to circle time. And our circle time is about learning the calendar, the weather. They'll learn the Pledge of Allegiance this year as a 4-year-old. And we'll talk about our day, we'll sing and have some fun. Then we break into 2 groups. We have an art room and a playroom. The playroom is an unstructured area where they can find dress-ups. They learn how to share and come together. Board games for 4-year-olds becomes a big thing, and so we have a closet full of them, and they get to choose on occasion a board game, and that is packed with fun learning components. Art side, that we're going to have some fun. I like to get messy, so we can make slime, and we make brown bear paint out of pudding, and it's a lot of fun. I also enjoy science, so we do quite a bit of STEM science in my fours group. And then we come back together into the circle room where it's story time, or maybe it's a little dancing time. We have our favorites, and then we get together for snack. And you, the parent, will provide the snack. It's a quick little something, and after that, we're heading outside. So follow me and I'll show you where we're heading. Here we are on our playground, our outside area, where we have the climbing dome, a kitchen. It's just a time for them to let that energy go. I appreciate you coming to our virtual tour. I'm going to pass over to some of our parents, and they can give you a parent's point of view of their experience of Crofton Nursery School. Thank you.
My favorite part of CNS is working in the classroom with my child and getting to know their friends and families.
A co-op preschool was never on our list of preschools, but I'm really glad that I took a friend's advice to check it out, and I love being in the classroom with my kids and with my friends' kids, and being able to watch them grow and learn and see their little minds reeling when they're doing a math problem, or playing with their buddies.
Both of my children have gone to CNS, and it has helped their social skills tremendously. I can't wait for my other son to go back next year, and I know he is just as excited.
And the amount of energy that his teacher brings to the classroom every day is so infectious. And as a working parent, you can't help but get caught up in the happiness of the teacher as well as the students. What really impresses me the most about Crofton Nursery School is their attention to detail when it comes to the health and the safety of the students. The classroom is always immaculate, and my son also happens to have multiple food allergies, and they take every step possible to ensure his safety.
Another thing that's so wonderful is the community aspect of it. Being able to be in the classroom with them. I know all of their classmates really well, and I meet their families and their parents, and it's been one of the best ways for me to get to know other parents in our community and make friends.